This is the section B and it consists of 42 marks. Question number 2, part 1. Assume the variables x, y and z where x equal to 4, y equal to 8 and z equal to 2. What the value will be stored in result 1, result 2 and result 3 after executing following Python statement. Okay, result 1 will get the value because value of x is 4 plus value of y is 8. Result 1 will get 12. Okay, next result 2. What result 2 will get? Z power 3 means z value of z is 2 raised power 3 mean 2 raised power 3. The answer is 2 times 2 times 2. Answer is 8. Result 2 will get 8. And result 3, y divided by x and value of y is 8 divided by x, a value of x is 4, it will get 2.0. The result will get 2. Okay. Question number 1, then OR part. I'm going to solve OR part. In OR part, what they are doing, trace the following pseudocode and complete the table below which tracks the value of the variable at each iteration of the loop. Okay, set sum equal to 0. Set sum equal to 0. At this stage, the value of sum will be 0. Okay, next, for I from 1 to 3. Okay, it will start from 1, value of I is 1, value of I is 2, value of I is 3. Okay, when value of I is 1, then what happen? Then sum equal to sum of I means sum equal to sum plus I. Before sum is 0 plus I means 1. Answer will be 1 will store into sum. Here it will become 1. And far from this place it will move up. Okay, and it will not print yet. Okay, next value of I will become 2. Okay, in case of 2, then previous value in sum is 1. 2 plus 1, 3. Okay, the value of sum will become 3. Next, they will increment 1 in x, in I. The value of I will become 3. In third time, the value of previous sum is 3 and this time value of I is also 3. It will give you 6. 6 will store into sum. Okay, after this row will stop and print sum. In print sum mean what they will display? They will display 6 here. Okay. Question number 2. What is a use case for statistical model given in example? Give an example. A use case for statistical modeling is predicting outcome based on data patterns. They will predict an outcome based on given data. They will explore that, they will analyze that data, and then they will give you one prediction. Example, forecasting monthly sales using past sale data. Okay, in this way you can give a prediction on the basis of the previously data. Okay, that you have previously data. You will explore that data, you will analyze that data. On the basis of that data, you will give some prediction. Write down the 3 benefits of integration of blockchain and IoT. Okay, number 1 is improved security through decentralized data handling. Number two is transparent and tamper-proof transaction records. And number third is faster automation using smart contracts. Okay, we'll move to the next question. Next question is, how does agile model differ from waterfall model? Justify with at least three reasons. This is very important questions. The difference between agile model and waterfall models. Number one is agile is iterative and flexible, while waterfall is linear and sequential. Agile is more flexible if you have high knowledge about the project. You have a expert team of the people. Then it's very easy. It's flexible. Number two, agile welcomes changes. This is very important because in agile, changes can be welcome at any stage. While in waterfall methodology, the changes never accepted at the during the stages. Okay, this is a big difference. According to the situation, you have to apply methodology. Okay, then what is the important point? Changes. Agile welcome changes during development, while waterfall doesn't allow mid-process changes. Number third point is agile delivers work in small increments. They are giving small products. They are giving small versions of the software to the customers. Customers are using. Then they are giving new input or feedback according to new inputs and feedback. Developers are used to develop the software. Next one is differentiate between parameters and statistics with daily life example. One is parameter, a value that represents the entire population is called parameter. Example, average height of all students in a school, that is a parameter. While statistics, a value calculated from a sample of the population, that is called statistics. For example, average height of students in one single class, that is statistics. Why is successful product development important? Give three reasons. Number one is it increases customer satisfaction. Important point. The important point I have highlighted with red colors. By delivering a product that meet user needs. Number two is it improves market competitiveness and helps a company stay ahead. Number third point is it leads to higher profits and long-term business growth. Next question. Write on three differences between analog and digital signals. The differences are there. Analog signals are continuous. Continuous. They are not stay at single stage. While digital signals are discrete, they are showing one value at a time. Okay, they are analog signals and digital signals. Number two, analog signals are more prone to noise, while digital signals are more noise resistant. Okay, mean analog signals will produce means the noise can become, while in digital signals these are means noises, less noises or noises resistant are there. Analog signals vary in amplitude and frequency, while digital signals use binary values, that is 0 and 1. Question number 5. Determine whether these variable names are valid or invalid. Provide reasons for any invalid variable. Range. Range is invalid. Why it's invalid? Because we are using in a for loop for x in range 3 like that. Okay, here is a range function, that is built-in function, range range. Okay, total marks. Number one is total marks. You have written total marks. In case of total marks, there should be a gap. Gap is not allowed. Okay, here I mentioned gap, not underscore. Underscore can be allowed, but due to gap, I have mentioned this one, it's invalid. Okay, third one is counter. Okay, counter with small c with capital C, that is acceptable. This is valid. This is a valid variable. Range is invalid. Why? Range is a reserved word in Python. Total marks invalid. Why? Variable names cannot contain a space. Number third is counter. Counter is a valid. Reason, it contains only letters and follows naming rules. How do computer system protect against cyber attacks? Provide three reasons, and number one reason is a firewall. You have to apply a firewall and it will prevent from unauthorized access. Using firewall to block unauthorized access. Number two, installing antivirus and anti-malware software to detect threats. Number three is applying encryption and strong password to secure data. Question number 6. Briefly explain three guidance regarding the safe and responsible use of information sources. Number 1 is always check the credibility of the source before using information. If you want to use information in your assignment, in your exam, or anywhere, or in your thesis, in your work, you must check that from where you are copying, that how much that informations are correct. Okay. Check the credibility of the source before using information. Number 2 is avoid plagiarism by referring or citing original authors properly. Okay, if you are copying something from others, okay, you must write citation with references. If you will write citation and references, you will be avoid from plagiarism. Plagiarism means you are copying from others. Do not share personal or sensitive information from unreliable sites. If some sites they are getting some information regarding personal information, don't provide the personal information to this point. Other question is, what are the embedded systems, and list two of their applications. Number 1 is embedded systems are computer-based systems designed to perform specific tasks within a larger device. Applications. Number 1 application is washing machines. Okay, it uses in washing machines. Number 2, automatic traffic control systems. Question number 7. Which algorithm is more efficient, insertion sort or bubble sort? Justify your choice with two reasons. Insertion sort is more efficient than bubble sort. Reason, insertion sort takes fewer swaps and comparison in nearly sorted data. Okay. Reason number 2, average time complexity of insertion sort is better in practice and run faster on small data sets. Okay. Next is correct any three errors in the following Python code. Number equal to 0. Here they have mentioned semicolon, that is not allowed. Okay. You should write number equal to 0. Next one, if number greater than 0, yes, it's correct. If number greater than 0, colon, then print, you have to write positive number. You have to suppose I'm writing positive number. Okay, just I want to highlight the error. This is second error because here double quotation did not close it. Number 3 is it's written elif. Okay, you should write elif, elif, elif. Elif means here double F mean not use. You should use only single F. L if number number equal to 0, double equal. Okay, if you are comparing, you should write number equal double equal for comparison, and then print 0. Here you are writing print 0, print in double quotation 0. Okay, and else you're writing else colon, and print, you give indentation here, give a space, print negative number, and in negative number. Okay, how many error you have found here? This is second error. L if this is the third error. One if is extra third, and fourth one is you must use double equal. Okay, else, and fifth one is the print need to give a space. I have highlighted 5 errors. Okay, but that's why they have written correct any 3 errors in the following Python code. Okay. Question number 8. Evaluate the following expression in Python using the proper order of operation. This expression is written as 3 raised power 2 minus 8 percentage 4 plus 10 divided by 5 multiplied by 3. Okay. Now, first of all, what I will do, I will solve the exponential power. 3 raised power 2 means 9 minus, after this I will solve this, 8 percentage 4. 8 percentage 4 means 8 divided by 4. You will get the remaining value. 8, 4 2s are 8. Remaining value is 0. Okay, remaining value is 0. You will write 0 plus 10 divided by 5. Mean you will get 2. Okay, you know division and multiplication have the same hierarchy. Okay, but we will see from left to right. Left to right, first is coming division, then we will do the divide. Mean 10 divided by 5, 2, multiply by 3. 9 minus 0 plus 6, 15. Answer is 15. Okay, clear? First we will solve exponential, then remainder operator, then divide, then we will do the multiply, and answer will be 15 in this case. Next is second part of question number 8. Compare star and ring network topologies with respect to design, scalability, and reliability. We will see these 3 factors: design, scalability, and reliability. Design. If you will talk about star topology, all devices connected to a central hub or switch. Okay, that is the design of the star. Mean there is one central hub is there, and all the nodes are connected with a separate wire with the hub. In case of ring, each device is connected to 2 neighbors in a closed loop. Okay, each device is connected to 2 neighbors in a closed loop. For example, there is a central hub is there. Okay, and here you are connected computer 1, computer 2, and then computer 3, and in this way you can attach computer 4. Okay, this is an example of star topology. Ring topology, suppose this is computer 1 connected with computer 2, computer 3, and computer 4, and this computer 4 is connected with the first one. Okay, it looks like a shape of a ring. Next point is about scalability. In scalability means you can easily increase the size. That is called scalability. Easy to add or remove devices by connecting to the hub, because you know that there is a central hub is there. As much as hub have a capacity to connect more devices, you can connect it. While in ring topology, adding removing devices breaks the ring and need to reconfiguration, because it's close just like a ring shape, and once you want to add a new node, you have to first disconnect that configuration, and again you have to reconfigure all the devices in form of a ring topology. Reliability point of view, star failure of one cable affect only one device. If any cable is failure with one device, only that device will be affected. But if the hub failure, all the computers, all the node will be stopped. In case of ring, failure of one device cable and disrupt the entire ring unless dual ring is used. Okay, if any problem will happen at any device, that will disturb to the whole network. Okay, this is in ring topology. Next question is, write down any three features of infographic for data representation, because sometimes we are using some symbols, graphic images to represent the data, and what are the benefits are here. Number one is infographic present data visually using charts, icon, and images. You can add charts, icon, or images, or you know that image can give more clarity as compared to 1000 of words. Number two, they simplify complex information, making it easy to understand. You have a lot of data is there. If you want to present in form of visual like chart, icon, and image, it will be more better understanding. Number third point is they attract attention and improve audience engagement. Okay, this is the three benefits are there. Write down any three key steps in developing the minimum viable product. Number one is identify the core features needed to solve the main problem. You have to identify what are the core features, important features, okay, that will solve the problem. Number two, build a basic but working version of the product with essential function, okay, that you will give a product that should be in working form. Number three, release for feedback. You should give them to the users to use it and give the feedback. Feedback, test with user and improve based on responses. Okay, you should get the feedback from the users, and then you have to improve that functionality. Next one is write a Python program that draw the table for the Boolean function f equal to x, y, z plus x, y, z. We have to draw the Boolean function. You can see that f equal to x, y, z means how many variables we have? We have three variables, means 2 raised power 3 means it should be 8 combinations. 8 combination means you have to write x, y, and z. Here should be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And here if you will add the code of means 0, code of 0 is 0, 0, 0, or you can add here 1, 2, 4. If you need 1, you need only this one. Okay, remaining is 0. 2, you need to own only these 2. Remaining is 0. 3, this is 2 plus 1, it will give you 3. Remaining is 0. 4, you have to just switch on only fourth. 0, remaining is 0. Fifth, how you will get fifth? 5, 1 plus 1, 5. Remaining is 0. 6, how you will get 6? 4 plus 2, 6. Remaining is 0. 7, 4 plus 2, 7 plus 1 plus 1, 4, 2, 6 plus 1, 7. Okay. In this way, next I need x, y, z. Okay, what I will do? I will calculate here only y. Y complement. Y complement means value should be invert. If 0, 1, 1 to 0. 0, I will see 0, y value of 0, it will become 1, 1. Next to is 1, 1, it will be 0, 0. Next to is 0, 0, it will be 1, 1. Next value is 1, it will be 0 and 0. This is y invert. Now I want to calculate first x, y, z. Okay, I will see these three values x, y, and z. Okay, mean there is AND gate is there in between them. Okay, x, y, z mean and what and says if all the values are true, then result will be true. Okay, due to these 4x, first x is 4, value not be true. I will write 0, 0, 0, 0 direct. Now x is ready to give all time 1, but due to y 2 time is 0, they will give you result is 0. Okay, next one is x last 6 and 7, last 2, that is 6 and 7, x and y are ready to give 1, but it based on z. Now z is only 1 is on 7, 6 is 0, it will give you only this. Okay, now we need x, y, and z. Okay, again we will see. Again x, we are taking the AND operation between x, y, and z. Due to these first 4 x it will become 0. Now I'm writing x, y, z. Due to first 4 x, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 x, it will give you 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, next one is we will see that x, this x is ready. Okay, now I will see y. If you will see y value is also 1. Now I will see z value is 0. Due to this one it will give you 0. No, x number 5, x is 1, y dash is 1, while z is also 1, result will be 1. Okay, now x1, y1, but yz is giving x is 1, yz if x is 1, yz is 0, result will be 0. Next, all three are 1. See, x is 1, z is 1, but y is not 1. Y dash is not 1. That's why it will give you 0. Okay. Now, in between this and this, there is an AND operation or operation is there. Or operation in any one of the operation is true. Okay, any one value is any one, you will get 1, then it will return true statement. Okay, you will write 0, 0 in B, 0, 0, 0, here is 1, 0, 1. Okay, okay, this is the result of F. Next question is write down 3 features of the survey for data collection. You have collected the data. What are the 3 features are there? Number 1, survey collected data from a large number of people quickly. Okay. Then next point, they use structured questions for consistent response. This is second features. Third feature is survey can be conducted online or on paper or through interviews. These are the channels through which you can conduct the survey. Second optional question is write what is meant by data searches. Illustrate with an example. Data searches. Number one is data searches mean finding specific information from a large data set or database. You have a big database or large data frame, data set. You want to find a specific information from those data, that is called search. Next example, searching for a student record in a school's computer database. There is a school computer database, okay, in a school's computer database, and you want to search a one student record. This is an example of a search. How does vertical scalability differ from horizontal scalability in cloud computing? Illustrate with the three differences. Number one, vertical scalability increases resources of a single server. You have single server and you are putting more load on it. Increases resources of a single server. While horizontal scalability add more servers to the system. While in horizontal, you are putting more servers. If you have more servers, load can be distributed. Number two, vertical scaling is easier to implement but has hardware limits, whereas horizontal scaling can grow almost infinitely. Vertical scaling is easier because if your system supported, you can put more hard disk, more RAM, okay, until your system is supported. Whereas horizontal scaling can grow almost infinitely. You want to attach one server, two server, three servers, so many servers you want to attach it. It's unlimited. Number three, vertical scaling improves performance in one machine, while horizontal scaling distributes load across multiple machines. Okay, if you have heavy complex nature of data and you want to compute that data, and that data can be distributed on different machines. There is some rules and regulations how data is distributed and how data is combined again to give one consolidated result. Second question, what will be the generated by the following Python code? Okay, let's see. You have a list with list one, name is list one, and what are the values are there? 34, then ABC, after this 40, then 89. Okay, this is the line number one. Line number two says that list of 2 equal to 67. This is index of 0, index of 1, index of 2, and index of 3. They're telling list of 2 will get 67. New overwritten list will get the data. 34 is already A, B, C, and then 67, and then 89. 40 will overwritten with 67. Okay. Next, list one dot append XYZ. Okay. At the last, they will put XYZ. So, append means they will put at the last element. They will put here, I'm going to append this list, and they have written X, Y, Z. Print list when they want to print, it will display these values. Means 34, then ABC, 34, ABC, 67, 89, and XYZ. This will display list like this way. Okay, because this is value is string, they will show double quotation or single quotation. Next question is, what is the difference between a population and a sample in statistics? Illustrate with example. Population is the entire group being studied, while a sample is a small part taken from that population. Okay, population entire group, while sample is only few parts, few data you are taking from that population. Example, all students in a school. This is an example of population, all students in a school. 30 random selected students is an example of a sample. Next one is, write Python statement consisting turtle graphics to perform the following actions. Rotate the turtle 45 degrees to the right. What I have written? I have written right, and how much you want to move, you will write that number. If they are saying 60, you have to write 60. No, right is 45. Next one, move the forward by 100. You can use forward command by 100. And then change the pen color to red. You will write pen color in double quotations, name of the color. If it is red, you can write red. If it will say blue, then you can write blue. Okay. Next, what is the deployment phase in SDLC? How does the direct deployment method differ from the phased development method? Deployment means you have completed the project and now you want to hand over that project to the customer hand. What are the phases and how you will can convert, how you can give that project, or how you can implement in that way. Number one is, deployment phase is the stage where the completed software is installed, released, and made available for the end users. Users can use it. Number one, indirect development, deployment. If you will direct deployment, if you will do this way, what happened? The old system is totally replaced immediately with the new one. While in second case phase development, the new system is introduced in stages, that they are giving only stages. First they will do one department, then going to second department. After implementation of second department, they are moving to the third department, and so on. Next one is, direct deployment is faster, but what happened? Risky. Okay, because you have implement totally entire system and totally new system, entirely new system. Okay, it may be it maybe will give you error, or something is not performing well. Okay, but riskier is there. Whereas phased deployment is safer and easier to control. Compare. Next one is, compare supervised and unsupervised learning with daily life examples. Number one, supervised learning uses labeled data for training or trained data. Example, email spam detection, spam, not spam. Unsupervised learning works on unlabeled data to find patterns. Example, grouping customers by buying behavior. How behavior is changing. First they are getting the patterns, and after this they are learning from that.